Introducing Speechactors, your one-stop solution for AI voiceovers.
Do you need a voiceover but don't have a nice-sounding voice or a voice that is suitable for your project? Is it that you lack the right recording equipment? Maybe you need multiple voices in a single voiceover. Is hiring a professional voiceover artist eating your budget?
If you relate to all these questions, Speechactors is for you. You can generate a voiceover in 3 easy steps. First, select the language and voice you like. Second, enter the text. Third, click on Generate button. Your voiceover is ready in no time. We have 300 plus voices and 129 languages. We have different voice styles or tones as well like this.
Hello everyone, hope you are enjoying this.
No, please refrain from talking with me.
Hey, why is he so angry?
I told you to complete homework.
It is dark and no one at home. I am really scared.
It will surprise you to learn that all voices and voice styles in this video were generated with Speechactors.
If you are still engaged and listening means you have got your answers and we proved our point. As a launch offer, we have limited time low pricings. It will go up soon. We do not have features locked for additional purchases. We only have one Pro plan that includes all of the features unlocked. And that's 2 with purchase flexibility. You only pay for characters or text you use. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and buy it now.
Happy voiceover!